So skin health is quite a major topic. And I'm not just talking about the beauty side of things. So there's some great beauty formulas out there, but I'm talking about the topical side of things. And it's not just to say, not just about beauty and anti-aging, but we get approached quite regularly with skin issues. And that could be from teenage acne, psoriasis, eczemas, and other issues, dermatitis, etc. Now, there is one go-to product, and I use this through experience personally, that I recommend and couldn't recommend enough for people. And it's the Organic 5 Serum by Viridian. And it's called a Repair 5 Serum for a reason. It is incredible at repairing and protecting skin. So it would work incredibly well potentially, and it has done on several trials I've been looking into where they've used the ingredients from this, and they've used it on psoriasis and eczemas with incredible results. Vitiligo, which is like a pigmentation issue in the skin, again, incredible results. They've even used it on things like carpal tunnel syndrome and joint pains from arthritis, putting it on topically. Now, I use this cream, or this serum, which is an oil, every day. And people go, oh yeah, of course you do, Mark. It's a true story, every single day. And the reason being, about 6 years ago, I inadvertently, I'm not going into the story, I inadvertently caught completely on fire through petrol. And it is a long story. And if it wasn't for my wife, I'd probably be dead. So my wife actually saved my life that day. And everything caught on fire, my jumper went up, I was fighting the flames, and the worst burns were all the way up my arm. So I had burns completely up my arm. And we were in the back garden and we got the fire off me and out. And in a term of shock, what I did was we put the outside tap on, which we had at the time. I put my hand basically under the cold water and I watched the skin run off my arm and hand. Horrible. I have flashbacks to this day if I'm even near a barbecue in a garden. Horrible. But what that did was, it took me months and months and months for that to recover. So what I've got on my hand now, where the worst of it was on the back of my hand, it's like growing baby skin back. So you got to be careful in the sunshine and things like that. If I was catching it, I'd shake hands with customers once it got a bit repaired. That was so thin that it could bleed because people would shake your hands. So I had to stop shaking hands. And I was fist bumping before the blooming pandemic because I was stopping people gripping my hand too hard and causing my skin to crack. So that's left me with very, very, very dry skin, like a lizard hand. And the only thing that I've used daily, which is incredible, and I can't say enough about this product, is the Serum 5, the Repair 5 Serum from Viridian. It is incredible. Now, my wife now uses it, and you can use it topically on your face. Fantastic as a before bed moisturizer, anti-aging, anti-wrinkle if you want to do that. It is incredible. My daughter uses it, she's 15 and absolutely stunning, but she has, like every 15-year-old, outbreaks of spots, and she will use it on her skin along with actually a clear skin complex. So if anyone's suffering with acne or has kids, clear skin complex and the Repair 5 Serum together, what an amazing product for skin health. Marry that with a good quality probiotic, there you go. Try it if you've got anyone suffers with acne. It is incredible. So there is my little take on the Repair 5 Serum. I'll get it right. I've only taken it for the last 6 years. So yeah, you put a little bit on, apply it topically, you're good to go. And like I say, a lot of people don't know that about my hand, but it's a true story. And you say, when you watch your hand peel off, and you can recover with using a topical oil, there's a lot to be said about that. So we've got it on the website and got it in store. Come and have a chat to us. And I think I talk quite a lot about it on the website in the description. So have a little read up on the different ingredients. They are powerful. Cheers, guys. Take it easy. Have an amazing day. Bye-bye.